Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 3, Whole Number Addition and Subtraction, Lesson 14. So turn to page 55 so you can follow along and take notes. So our word again, just like from Lesson 7, is estimate. So this is to find out about how much or how many. So if we look here, we can find the exact answer of this number 1, 368 minus 145. So 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, if we look at number 2, we want to estimate. So we're going to estimate about how much, and we're going to round to the nearest 100 because that's the highest place value. So we look at the number behind it, the 6. The 6 rounds it up to the nearest 100, so that would be 400. 145, the 4 rounds it down to the nearest 100, so that would be 100. So we can see right here, number 3, we have our original answer was 223, and 400 minus 100 is 300. So our answer, it's about 300. Number 4, if we did the same thing, the exact answer, 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5. And then the approximated answers, we round to the nearest 10 in this case, and the 9 would round it up to 90. And then the 7 for 37 would round up to the nearest, so that's about 40. And then we would subtract 9 minus 4 is 5. So it's about 50. So remember, we're just estimating the difference. So we need to round first and then subtract. So here is using a number line. We can see it says estimate the difference 87 minus 34. Round 87 to the nearest 10. So here's 87. It's above 85, so it's going to round up to 90. And then 34 to the nearest 10, it's below 35, so that's going to round down to 30. So 87 is closer to 90. 34 is closer to 30. So the exact answer, 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. So we would round 90 minus 30, and we would get 60. So the estimated difference is about 60. So again, we're going to estimate each difference. So we're just going to go straight to it, and we're going to say 42. We're going to round to the nearest 10. 2 would round it down, so it's going to go down to 40, not up to 50. And then 17, the 7, it will make it round up to the nearest 10, which is 20. So 40 minus 20 is 20, so that is our estimate. Our number 6. Now we're in the hundreds place, so we're going to round to the nearest 100. So we look at the 6 behind the 5. The 6 rounds it up to the nearest 100, so that would be 600. And then 330, the 3 rounds it down to the nearest 100, so that would be 300. So then we'll subtract, and we get our estimate is about 300. Here we have tens place, so we're going to round to the nearest 10. The 8 rounds it up to the nearest 10, which is 90. And then in 54, the 4 rounds it down to the nearest 10, which is 50. So we'll subtract. Our estimate is 40. Last one on this page, we have 216 minus 104. We're going to round to the nearest 100, so that 1 rounds it down to the nearest 100, which is 200. And here's a 0, so that will also round it down to the nearest 100, which is 100. And then we'll subtract 0, 0. Our estimate is 100. So if we're using symbols, so we have 671 minus 128. It says you're going to round each number to its greatest place value. So the greatest place value is the hundreds place, so you're going to round it to 700 and 100. And then you just subtract the rounded numbers, 600. So the estimated difference for 671 minus 128 is 600. So that's estimating That's all you have to do for estimating. You round to the nearest or the greatest place value, and then you subtract. All right, on your own right now, you are going to complete page 57. So have scratch paper if you need it, but good luck.